Good afternoon. Today we are going to conduct a screening procedure which will see in your SSB center. Right? A briefing about the screen test will be given by Shayan sir.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, so today we are conducting the screening procedure, the complete procedure with time boundation, to give you an idea about how the screening procedure is conducted in the SSB in real time. Okay. So the screening procedure will comprise of two parts. The first part is your OIR test, which you will be giving right now, and after that the exercise will be of PPDT, picture perception and discussion test. I'll be giving you a briefing of OIR and Padam sir will be taking your PPDT test. Clear है? Any doubts? No, sir. PPDT OIR में आपके दो टेस्ट होने वाले हैं. Two tests of reasoning. The first test is of verbal test and the second of non-verbal. आपको सेट A जो मिला है that is a verbal test and set B वाले जितने हैं they are non-verbal test. The time given to you will be 20 minutes for each paper. Okay, 20 minutes for set A, 20 minutes for set B. Any doubts? Do not leave any question. Try to attempt as much as possible. Keep the time boundation in mind. Any doubts regarding OIR? OIR ranking matters a lot in your selection, in your screening as well as for your recommendation as well. Because आपके जो OIR rank होती है from 1 to 5 दी जाती है, 1 being the highest, 5 being the lowest. आपकी पहली इन्फॉर्मेशन जो आपके PI की फॉर्म में भरी जाती है that is your OIR rank from 1 to 5, जो भी आपकी रेड पेन से स्पेसिफिकली लिख दी जाएगी. क्लियर है? सो कंसिडर दिस टेस्ट अ रियली केयरफुल टेस्ट. पहला टेस्ट आपके SSB का है और आपके लास्ट कॉन्फ्रेंस तक इसका मैटर रहेगा. इवन इफ यू आर अ डाउटफुल केस, अगर आपका OIR रैंक 1 है तो आपके रिकमेंड होने के चांसेस वहीं से डबल अप हो जाते हैं. सो इट इज़ रियली इंपॉर्टेंट टेस्ट. सो रेडी हैं सब लोग? ओके, स्टार्ट अटेम्प्टिंग योर टेस्ट.
Good morning, friends. As I perceived in the picture that there are total of 4 characters. They all are male. They are between age group of 20 to 24. Rahul, the main character is Rahul. Rahul is a college going student. One day he was going to school with their friends. He saw that some students are hidden in nearby bush. He asked their friends to look them and observed the moment of miscreants, and he rushed himself to nearby army post and informed them about the location and movement of miscreants, and he returned with the soldiers and helped them to eliminate the miscreants. Thank you.
As per my perception, there were 4 persons in the story and they all are in positive mood of 20 years. Samriddhi, the main lead of my story, had completed her BCom third year examination, and after the examination, she was an adventurous loving person. She went on adventurous tours, like she went to Darjeeling for trekking camp, and after that she went to Uttarakhand for rafting. There she found the three girls also, along with they all formed a group and they went together for the river rafting, and after taking rest in the restroom and having some hot coffee
Good morning friends, what I perceive from the picture is that in this picture there are four characters and all are college students and ages are 18 years old. All are positive mood. My story is based on Suman and he is 18 years old. He lives in a hill area of Himachal Pradesh. One day when returning from his school, he saw that the bridge of the river is broken. He informed the Sarpanch. Sarpanch came with his tools or engineers and repaired the bridge. Thank you.
Gentlemen, what I perceived from the picture was basically four characters. All are male and all are in positive mood. They all are school students of around 18 years old. Rahul was the main character. Rahul was a class 12 boy in Sitamarhi district, Bihar, Kendriya Vidyalaya, and he is very good in studies and sports also. He is fond of mountaineering and boat rafting. So he decided with his friend to visit Shimla and enjoy and refresh his mind. They all book tickets. They all book hotels in Shimla. They do camping there. They do mountaineering there. Enjoyed the whole journey and get refreshed and went back their home happily. Thank you.
In my story, I have seen 4 persons and all are male and they are in positive mood and their age is between 25 to 35. And the main character is Saksham, who was a civil engineer and was posted in a district of Uttarakhand. Once he visited a nearby village and saw that there was a ropeway bridge and people felt difficulty when they had to go to other side. So he decided to help them and he took permission of the concerned authority and started construction of the bridge. In some months the bridge was constructed and it was also attached to the main route of the city that benefited people a lot. Thank you.
I perceive four male characters in the story. All are in positive mood and doing their BTech. In their summer vacation, they went on the trip to the Darjeeling and they saw that the people have returned all the waste that they are eating wrappers and etc. in the beach. And they were very concerned about the cleanliness of the beach. So they decided to clean the beach as well as provide dustbin in various spots. They also attached some posters which will create awareness among the people about the cleanliness. And they enjoyed their trip and went back home happily. Thank you.
Well, friend, as the picture shown to us, I perceive 3 characters, all are male and of 25 years old and in positive mood. The action of my story is improving village collection. Rohit was a student who has completed his civil engineering and went to his native village. On going to his village, he saw that as his village was in a hilly area and there was a river flowing from his village. So he saw that the student who used to go to the school, they had the only way to take a boat and go, which caused them delay. So he decided to help the villagers. He went to the village panchayat and discussed the matter. He called for the village panchayat, where he motivated and made plan to make an artificial bridge so that they can make the way for the student easily. And with the help of the villager, he made a small artificial bridge, and also that he also complained to the concerned authority about making a bridge for the villager so that the student could easily go to school. And with his hard dedication and hard working, the corporation of the
characters are carrying the bag. It means they are from the school. Yeah. And one character is not carrying bag. He may be guide or editor.
When we can see the story is about making a construction of a bridge. So I think we can make a common story as majority of
construction of bridge was done by someone or a civil engineer, so we should agree that the construction of the bridge is to be done.
And also we can say
not there because four characters are crossing the bridge. Then the construction of bridge. But there should be a positive aspect of the story that some civil engineer.
Majority of our story having the same thought of making a construction of village in which contains 4 students or 4 people. I think let's make a plan and a common story related to that.
Yes. Okay. So we have decided that there are 4 and they
construction of bridge is going there.
Yeah.
Then after,
Our main character is the civil engineer that took the responsibility and he helped the people by
but
construction.
as we saw in the figure that the 3 persons are carrying the school bag.
We can add his story in the end that the students are going.
We should make this story agree with just number 64, we should go forward that a bridge was not constructed between the two villages.
Yeah.
That is difficulty for the transportation of their men and after the
We can mix the two things in one, that the construction of bridge got done and
then after the it will be easy for the
who have went to the city to study for the civil engineering and came back to the city.
Just before that a civil engineer from the village itself has taken initiative to connect the two villages and started transportation about that. And then a figure is shown in front of us that three school boys were crossing the bridge. Three other characters is shown us to civil engineer take the help of the three village students to
No, practically we can
story that the bridge has been made by a civil engineer and now seamless connectivity between the two villages. Now we should try to make a story in that plot.
If we all
According to my opinion, the civil engineer came to inspection the bridge because the bridge was already made.
No, but we have come to a common conclusion that the civil engineer was the villager who have taken the initiative to create the bridge.
So we can come to a common conclusion that there was a civil engineer that came to post that in a village where he saw that there was no connection between the city and the village and the river was flowing between that. So he decided to make a bridge so that the other can get benefited from that and the student can also get
Any opposing from this story?
No.
Let's just number 137.
There may be a tourist, they are a school student clearly seen that they are teenager. There may be a student, they are going to trip for moving their.
The students are going to school by crossing that bridge.
And bridge has been made by the
Okay, there should be a tourist spot, so it is also facilitated by tourists to reach there.
Okay, group, please come to a common story.
If we all have agreed, then the construction of the bridge is the theme.
Common story.
Yes, number 25.
As the picture shown to us, we perceive 4 characters and Rohit is our central character who is a civil engineer. One day he was appointed in a village there. When he went there, he saw that the village was very remote and there was no connection between the city and the village and the river was flowing in between the. So he decided to help the villagers with the help of the discussion with the Sarpanch and also about the villagers and concerned authorities. He made a village so that the student can easily cross that and with the help of that bridge, the student easily will cross the village and reach to education in the nearby city. Thank you, sir.
Broken. That's why you
where is inspecting of them.
We can add both the stories together.
I think
Construction of the dam as well as the adventure of the school college going we can merge both the plots together.
We can
If
easily-
everyone is agreed.
And they saw that the bridge was brokenable.
We can easily see that the bridge is alright, and let's make the simple story good story. We can see in the background that the background is like mountains and river, and they are crossing the bridge with their bags or like tourist bags, and they all are enjoying the trekking, and it is a good story, I think.
But
the bridge was weak and some tourist persons were going on, and they see that the bridge was broken and the bridge is already serviceable and operational. They are all passing through the bridge.
so some civil though all those men are wearing uniforms and military caps, let me
They are wearing like a soldier.
Yes, sir. Let's make a
Instead of making them school or college going students, we can make them the soldiers going on a trekking camp.
As I perceived, many that I told in my story that there are some miscreants may be hidden nearby bushes, and my hero told nearby post, and so many the videos are broken and they isn't
I can change number 72 as some points to add to the story, please.
Yes, I achieved that there are soldiers who are passing the bridge, and some miscreants may be hidden nearby bushes, and they are targeted to destroy the bridge, and soldiers are targeting.
Yeah, we can go with that. That the soldiers got to do search operation in the nearby areas.
I think it is an innovative and good story and different story, so we can go with that story. They all are soldiers and they are posted there, and they.
I want to say that they are miscreant. He said that, and his the aim was to blast the bridge. And he was informed by the villagers who to seen this. There was some soldiers come the bridge to inspect the other. Eliminate them with the help of army.
Okay, we all concluded with that. It is a search operation, and all of four are soldiers, and they are working their job.
Yes.
I recommend just number 20.
Okay, thank you. Our common story is that the four persons we have seen was soldiers, and he was going on a village. By villagers, by villagers, the officers was informed that some miscreant want to blast the bridge, and after tracing them, they find and solve the problem.
So as per our group story, there were 4 soldiers who were on the search operation. They found that there were some miscreants in the village who was going to do some riots in that area, and they all are going there, and they searched, traced them, and they arrested them, and they stopped any mishappenings to happen.
विशाल कुमार, विशाल कुमार आपका OAR 1 है, राइट? और आपका नो नीड नरेशन, इट वाज गुड, डिस्कशन वाज गुड, स्टोरी वाज गुड, राइट? हर्षिता यादव, योर OAR is 1, narration was good, story was good, discussion was good, right? Ranjit Singh, OAR 1, narration आपका clear नहीं था, discussion story was okay, so you have to work hard on your narration part, right? रत्नेश कुमार पटेल, योर OAR is good, 1 है आपका OAR, नरेशन डाउटफुल है आपका, डिस्कशन नॉट अप टू मार्क, स्टोरी भी डाउटफुल है, यू हैव टू वर्क हार्ड. विकी कुमार पांडे,
Yes, sir.
ओके, OAR 1, Narration was good, story was good, discussion was good. Asta Dikshit,
Yes, sir.
OIR 2, narration was good, discussion was good, story was good. Asta Dikshit. Anyone else? Clear?
Yes.
Okay.